Well, good evening, guys. It's about 6:30 and I'm parked up near the South Bristol something or other hospital, South Bristol Community Hospital, because Nanny's going in to visit her friend. So I'm going to pass the time. I've got this Woodcraft Construction Kit sitting in the back of the car. Cost me £2 in a charity shop. It's only 2 sheets, so it shouldn't take too long. Reference number P002. If you go to the Quay Imports website, they do have the animated build instructions for most of their kits. Well, I say most, for a lot of their kits. I haven't looked to see if they've got this one, although that code there might take you to it. Let's just refocus on it. Yeah, that might take you there. As you can see, height 15 centimeters, length 25 centimeters, width 22 centimeters. Right, let's refocus down there. I've forgotten to put my cover there, so try not to make too much of a mess. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. And a bit of sandpaper just to smooth over any rough edges. We can park here for an hour for free, or they do have a multi-storey car park. Pay and display, or pay anyway. I'm hoping that we're not going to be here for more than an hour, because Nanny's only just popping in there because her friend has been moved from the BRI hospital, which is in the centre of Bristol, to this one, which is on the outskirts. Alright, that's going to go like that. Yep. It's always nice when somebody shares their music with you, saves you needing to have a radio in your own car. Quite a few years back, I did make an identical looking biplane from a small kit that had 3 different, I think it was 3 different kits, or maybe even 4 different kits, in a metal tin. It was about half the size of this when it was finished, but it looked identical, so I expect they've just scaled up the same plans. Right, that was 1, 2, 3 goes across there, 4, 3 and 4 there. 5 front end, 5, 6 on here. I always work on the assumption that the smoother side should be facing outwards. So in this case that's forwards. On the sides, smooth sides on the outside. Not always right, but that seems to work in most cases. So that was 5 and 6. 7, 8. Wing struts, there's 7. 'There's a bit there, doesn't want to come out. Gosh, that is being awkward. And the others have been all right so far. So 7 there, 8, that one, yeah, that's come straight out, no trouble. 8, 9, that one doesn't got one to come out. 'Got it eventually. So 9. there. And that's interesting. That's smooth side facing in, which is the opposite to what I was talking about. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I do like biplanes. I mean, this one's not going to fly, it's just decorative, but I just think they look nice. This one's a bit stylised. I don't think it would ever fly. 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14. 16. 15. There we are, 15, 16, 17. Fifteen, 15, like that. 16 is the propeller. Like that. 17, it's going to be a little bit on the front, yes. 17 on there like that. Could have done with some more super glue. I think I'm out of super glue. Yeah, that's empty. (18 and 19) the wheels. Oh, wheel fell off. 2021. That's sort of a tail skid thing. Goes up under there. Can I reach that wheel that I dropped on the floor? Oh, sorry for putting my ugly face in the way. Yeah, could have done with some glue. Tailplane. Oh, that wheel fell off again. And fin. So apart from the wheel falling off, we're finished. Pop that in the back. Yeah, there you go. Job done. 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.